Oimokia omwana abana babandi abaibori batamanyeti obakorere family planning egento ekio iga kerakwaneru na abaibori na abana na eserekari imanye ng'a inki ekiya togokorera abana aba bono iga ekero kwamokorera family planning kwamotangire konya ore nyamoreo toramotanga na baadaye omwana oyo nsachine nachi gotaka abana family planning ende nero ogokora. I know of my friends bakorire family planning bagotongwa esindani eri ya Diplofera eyie kanire America batongwa kwamanya konyora ng'a musibati ori tari konyara konyora oborito naende abana abekero kwabakorera family planning kia kwabangete kware kobakorera in general bonsi pie bakonye teko bayaya tiga abana bakwaneru bakoreru cancer kire police station netakeire a counseling table immediately omonto ekero ogoiko boso omwana anyorire obokomu bosa abeire raped abe cancelled ritang'ani akwanerwe apoeswe erinde amang'ana amanye kogenderera most of the time omonto mosacha oo nabetwe omoyiko oro akwete igo okogenda rioka ng'a baba ng'aki kiare monto ataragokwanera ataragopoesa kwamanya konyora kwarukire omotu etakeire abana aba bakwanerwa bakorerwa counseling eisaine naende immediately omwana abeire morito akorerwe HIV counseling and testing egere bamanye ng'a omusibati oyo omwana oyo abwate achake koegwa mariogo aria akoroku prevention from child mother to child prevention egero achikonyora omwana otari HIV.
Asante sana.
Ebi nabyo ebinto bitakeire bichake kubangu kubwa kwenda gukorera omwana family turamanya ng'a nabwate HIV ng'akiari.
Asante sana. Ase daika yemo sinse ye daika yemo madam waziri nyuma tutaragenda asoma otegereri tuigungo abagati abari babwata amaburio ase gidaika chinke kitogokorera nkiora akwaneke igoro ya family plan asa abana aba bari emyaka emeke.
Family planning, what I know, a police neroro on the floor of the house in Parliament. It's going to go quite a and the police correct stakeholders, kanisa, the church elders, the community and such. I care implemented and your guidelines on how because ni made the family planning target to ko kabuna story ko ya western and tonga bana just like that because no nyina banta breke ba kwenda family planning ko pimubare ba reseru tarikera family planning ya nchete kero monto ko ika those deliberation tikoru. So right now I know that our women rep Janet Ongera represents us in the house. They are deliberating on that. Once the policy is passed and ready to be implemented, we'll get guidelines. But for right, what we need to do, no go on the basics. To train on the need for abstinence, to train on skills. Even to put a century ngono whatever, magano kwana gaiga amakongu, abana bamanyese, abande bari bakonya bako engage in sex, maybe taranyora periods tiayo buganga njeninde still save. Tona kuba kwanira manganaya naende kuba they need to say no. Na ekera barorire ori muna mangana development na rape to batay those alternatives as we wait for the policy to come. Saying the policy was the network guidelines. So far right now, family planning is not legal for underage. It has not been passed in Kenya. Nenda abibudi kuikaba majego. Bali bakwenda baite abana kunya litali kurumaega baba bekira binde byonse. Ebinde bitali gwanchira no mubirobo kwanya no mubevu mwana usarekire atarachi gokonga abo muntu omonene naende tari roro siri decision yeyo. Esenje tama itingente ke kokomoteri. Ekinde kinati aba gusiba minto tigato tebi abana ba abstain naende to buy alternative measures na skills toko basome. Make decisions.
Okay, asante sana waziri. Wetera sana namba 0704-102-102-0785-102-102. Kwa nyura tunababa tunyora wetera www.radiovuna.co.ke ndike tujara ko bakogwa kesi ngo chaka igagere bano obe koko bori kwa onye ko bwata riborio libageri ga ne diaga sabanto batana batanga ninko nyara ko baginko ha libageri ko bwata riborio wetara se number 0704102102 wego 0785102102 radio vunelo hello ningoyo ningo iwete ehe okay ninko iwete bori yao okay pale sana kurende ribori ya na nyarere ko yinko boyiri gugaga ko boringa ko zinchire moyirira seki sub county bune kyombe kyobwegerwa abana abanyaruka kero kende ko bakonya ngaki bagoki wose tetebe do bose mi atagete ko manyambororo moko genda seki sub county ngo irana litore ribori yo hello radio vunelo wetera se number 0704102102 na bego 0785102102 radio vunelo eh